And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Temperatures out there today, very warm for this time of year. Didn't get a record. Record's 85. You might have heard Evan mention that earlier. We think we were up around 80. We'll find out soon. Right now, you can see some clouds starting to move in. If you look really carefully, not many people walking on the beach, but there are actually a large number of surfers out here. I counted about 11 just a couple of minutes ago. So definitely some people enjoying the warm conditions. Water, remember, still isn't all that cold, believe it or not, this time of year. It's dropping down through the 60s. We have the clear skies locally, but we do have a few showers. That's even on the verge of turning into a thunderstorm right now up there just around Fredericksburg, Virginia, and dropping to the southeast. So I wouldn't rule out a rumble of thunder if you're watching us from the very far northern areas, let's say up around Tappahannock or parts of the northern neck. For the rest of us, just increase in clouds, a stray shower or two is possible. Again, not for another several hours, though. So late evening on into the overnight. Right now, it is really mild, 75 degrees, winds out of the southwest, and not terribly humid, but a dew point of 62. That'd be pretty low, actually, in the summer. This time of year, again, it's a little on the humid side out there, but not horrible. 74 in Craddock right now, similar number out there in Pungo, 75 at Cape Henry, 70 in Western Branch. So there's not much of a spread. We've said that a lot lately. Anytime this time of year you get a wind out of the southwest, you tend to see that. Not that much of a spread. It's a northeast wind that causes things to really be considerably cooler, especially because the water temperatures right now are not vastly different than the highs that we're seeing. So you can see a number of 70s. There's 168 in Ahoskie, but for the most part, a lot of lower to mid 70s here in North Carolina. Front's getting ready to go through. That'll switch the winds around very late evening and overnight. Our high for tomorrow is going to be just after midnight tonight as we drop it back through the 60s and then continue by morning down into the 50s, and then we don't go up a whole lot during the day tomorrow. Stray shower, nothing more than a few very isolated areas, I believe, for Tim to track in the morning. But once we get past noontime, he'll start to track certainly some more if you're watching us, because on into tomorrow afternoon, some scattered showers, low pressure sitting offshore and slowing up means more rain developing likely during the day on Wednesday. And as the system slowly pulls away, we might even have some showers, not just Wednesday night, but even into very early in the day on Thursday, before I believe conditions will start to clear out a little bit later. So right now, you can see some of those showers just beginning to develop in Western Virginia. Not really for this evening, mainly for later tonight. Windy and colder as well. After about 10 to midnight, we're going to see those winds shifting. And tomorrow, don't forget, get out and vote. Temperature around 60 for the high. Wednesday, 57, blustery, occasional showers likely. And then 30% chance of a shower early Thursday. But look at Friday and Saturday. Saturday is the actual Veterans Day. Friday is the day we observe it. Both those days in the 50s.
All right.
Really? Yeah. Okay, thanks.
Thanks, Jeff. All right.